solve the equation by making an appropriate substitution. So I see an equation. I see 1, 2, 3 terms. Now it's not in the normal form. Usually we want to have it equal 0. So if I move everything to the left, I will have 6x plus 9 quantity squared plus 15 times 6x plus 9 plus 56 equals 0. Now this is much more standard. This is standard form for a quadratic equation. It doesn't appear like a normal quadratic equation. However, we can see if these are ugly variables, to see if this is quadratic in form with a u substitution. Now the variable part of the middle term, when you have the standard form, is always your trial of u. So if u equals the quantity 6x plus 9, to verify if this is going to work out u squared as well. 6x plus 9 squared. Now don't FOIL that out. That's exactly what we have. That's u squared. This is going to work great. So we have u squared plus 15u plus 56 equals 0. I believe this one factors. Let's take a look. If not, the quadratic formula always works. 8 and 7 multiplies to be 56, and it also adds to be 15. Perfect. So we have u plus 8 equals 0, or u equals negative 8. We also could have u plus 7 equals 0, so u equals negative 7. Now the reason why I know u plus 8 has to equal 0 is here we have the product of two factors equaling 0. And the only way to multiply two numbers to equal 0 is if one or the other of those numbers is in fact 0. So we know either that factor equals 0 or that factor equals 0. That gets us our u answers. Okay, we have u answers, but we have an x question, so we're not done. U is 6x plus 9. So we actually know that 6x plus 9, that's u, equals negative 8. And 6x plus 9 equals negative 7. So we have two more equations we need to solve. If I subtract 9, I have 6x equals negative 17, and dividing by 6, x equals negative 17 over 6. And same steps, subtract 9, 6x equals negative 16, and divide by 6. This one reduces. X equals, dividing by 2, negative 8/3. And here we have our two x solutions to this x equation. All right, I hope this helps.